The Meythway 6% Nonstick Set is a decent option for anyone looking to refresh their kitchen. Cookware. It includes essential pieces like frying pans and saucepans, which are useful for everyday cooking. The ceramic coating is designed to be non-stick, making it easier to cook food without it sticking to the bottom. This feature also simplifies cleaning, which is a big advantage for busy people. The set is advertised as being free of PFOA and PFOS, which are chemicals some consumers worry about. The cookware is also induction compatible, meaning it can be used on modern stovetops, giving it versatility. The overall wear of the set seems reasonable after some use, though long-term durability is something that needs to be observed. When using the Meythway 6% Nonstick Set, I found that the pans heated up evenly. This is important for consistent cooking. The non-stick surface did perform well, and food slid off easily. Cleaning was indeed a breeze. A simple wipe down with a soapy sponge was usually enough. The set is also dishwasher safe, which is a convenient option. However, it's always recommended to handwash delicate cookware to prolong its lifespan. The set would complement a variety of kitchen styles. It's also a good pick for those who like to cook different kinds of comida. The packaging was simple and effective, and the instruction manual was easy to understand. I haven't seen any blog or music references associated with the brand, but it's focused on delivering a functional product. In conclusion, the Meythway 6% Nonstick Set offers a good balance of features and functionality for its price. It's not a Viking level of cookware, or a luxury brand, but it's a solid choice for everyday cooking. The non-stick ceramic coating is a definite plus. The induction compatibility is also a valuable feature. If you're looking for a basic, reliable cookware set, the Meythway 6% Nonstick Set is worth considering. It does what it says it will do. I don't know how to delarlo the pans, but they seem to work well. I would recommend this Meythway 6% Nonstick Set for someone looking for a practical and safe cookware set. Pros: great price, well made, very durable, perfect size, evenly distributed temperature, shipping was a day early. Works great on induction stove, great non-stick, effortless cleaning. Beautiful cooking results, removable handles are liked, beautiful presentation, loved as a gift. Cons: smaller than expected, glass lid broke easily, pan turned dark, ugly, possible chemical concerns, pan arrived bent, size not for families, durability questioned, handle area bent. Size issue, quality degradation features. Meythway brand, pots and pans set 6-piece set, ultra non-stick, healthy ceramic coating. Non-toxic cookware, Mother's Day gifts, induction compatible, dishwasher safe 100% PFOA and PFOS. Free. The Meythway 6-piece pots and pans set offers ultra non-stick cooking with a healthy ceramic coating, making it a good choice for everyday cooking. It's designed to be non-toxic, as it's free from PFOA and PFOS. This set works on induction cooktops and is dishwasher safe, which makes cleaning up easy. It's also marketed as a suitable gift for Mother's Day. The Meythway pots and pans set is praised for its non-stick ceramic coating, induction compatibility, and easy cleaning. Many people like the removable handles and found the set a good gift. However, some customers had issues with the size being smaller than expected, glass lids breaking, pans warping or discoloring, and concerns about potential chemical issues. Some felt the quality wasn't as durable as advertised, and the size wasn't suitable for larger families.